Hi there, welcome to Bell CB. Have a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-497. This is for Troy in South Dakota. Let's check it out over here, Troy. We got the power, let's see, power turned all the way down. And let's look at 10 watts across the top. Comes in at 3. Now I'm going to put it on 100 watts across the top. You see the 3 down there. And we'll turn this up to 30. So there's 20, 40, 30 is that line in the middle. Okay, peak power, 250 watts lug. Our target's here at 100. That's 125. Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4. Okay. Check. Stryker 19 for radio check.
Loud and good, driver.
Thank you, driver. Have a good one.
10-4, 10-4.